This is Shankar. I'm going to teach mathematics. So, especially the upper primary students able to understand the concepts. So, those who are getting a back in maths to clear the basics of mathematics. That's why I'm going to before I'm going to explain basic concept of the mathematics. That's why in this part we are going to explain in bilingual language. So, first my concept, multiplication concept. The definition of multiplication means, so every time we are going to read tables, multiplication means 2 into 3, 3 into 4, look like where every student consider like that one. But that is not a correct way. But the particular definition is, the definition of multiplication means repeated addition. Repeated addition is called as a multiplication. Repeated addition is called as a multiplications. So examples, suppose examples I'm taking. For example, 2 into 3. 2 into 3. So this is a multiplication. But why it will comes to addition in this part? That is a main doubt. Now I'm going to clarify. Here two table. Suppose I'm taking to two table. 2 3s are, we're going to directly, I'm writing 6. But here 2 is added by how many times? 3 times. Here 2 plus 2 plus 2. Here 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. So this is called as a repeated addition. Repeated addition is called as a multiplication. Suppose I'm writing 3 fours is equal to how much? But table we are by adding system, continuously we are saying directly. But how it will come 12 means 3 fours are 12. How it will comes 12 means question arises, what is your answer? So that is 3 is added by how many times? 4 times. Here 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 12. 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 4 12. That's why the answer is 12. So my intention is multiplication is nothing but repeated addition. Repeated addition is called as a multiplication. Suppose I'm taking to one table through, I'm going to explain the whole part of the multiplication. Suppose this is 4 table, 4 ones are, here 4 twos are, 4 threes are, 4 fours are, 4 fives are, enough. We are going to do these additions through the multiplication. Yes, 4 is how many times we are going to add? 1 time. That's why directly I am writing 1 time. So here 4 is how many times? We are going to add 2 times, means 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. Here 4 3s are 12. Here means 4 is added by how many times? 1 plus 2 plus 3 times added. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. 12. Here 4 fours are, directly we know, but 4 is added by how many times here? 4 times. Here 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 times. Here 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 4 16. So here 4 fives are 20. Here directly 20, but 4 is added by how many times? 5 times. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 times. Here already 8, 12, 16 plus 4, 20. This is. So repeated addition is called as a multiplication. So you have to practice your simple way. For example, 5, 6 are how much? So directly your students are by adding system. So that's why directly student is tracking some table, but you can add in mind. 5 is added by how many times? 6 times. Here 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. 6 times we are going to add. 5 is added by 6 times. 5 plus 5, 5 plus 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 is equal. The answer is 30. So through this concept, the multiplication concept is very easy. You have to practice your own way. Thank you.